So what we see, what we have seen earlier in the data lake development, we will be adding just one part of it. That is, we have to segregate the user in one of the is as a best practice to successfully develop a data lake. So here we have seen that the user has been segregated into four categories. That is the sensitive, landing, work, and goal. So we will be going through each of them in the following manner. So first we will go into the landing. So usually what happens is only highly technical developers, data engineers, and scientists get access to this landing area. In general, users of the landing area must have compelling reason to perform their own data treatment or processing. So analysts usually don't have the clearance to access this area of data, but they access the gold section of the data. So what is the gold zone? So in gold zone, to make the gold zone more accessible, what we do is that IT staffs commonly create SQL views or what you get set of aggregates of each file in the gold zone and using Hive, Impala, Drill, or one of the processes in the other systems. These are accessed. And the gold zone is basically a natural starting point for a customer side of the reporting. So another part is the work zone. So the work zone is usually structured in to reflect the organizational structure of the enterprise. The work zone is typically organized into projects and work folder. So these individual users and project work folders contain both immediate and final results of the work. This is usually the least documented area because this is a work in progress area. So unfortunately, it is frequently the largest part. And since data science projects are explorative in nature and frequently require massive experimentation, this data is massively used by data scientists as well. So, and the last section is where the we call the sensitive area, which we have already discussed in other question also. That is in the sensitive zone, it is sometimes kept for files that are particularly important to protect from unauthorized viewers. So whether because of the regularity compliance or the businesses, usually only data stewards or trusted analysts are given access to this. So for example, HR personnel have this access to employee data, or finance employee have the access to the financial data, and similar kind of data are available. Even if we have any specific personal celebrity contacts, these are need to be sensitized from the other user and kept into this area. So so these kind of role based data clustering needs to be done, because unless it is done, the data lake can become a data swamp if this segregation is not practiced.